Happy Tuesday, December 16th, about 7:15 in the morning, 51 degrees, that's freezing for your boy, but back up and walking here at Taylor Park again. See what we see here today, out in the wild. Got a little short work day today, then afternoon to do whatever I please with, so we'll see how the day goes. This is pretty exciting. Maybe they came from the water system, got in. I don't know how they got in the lake here. This is an invasive species here, so I'm pretty excited to show you this morning. I don't know how they got all the way to Taylor Park in the lake here, but they're here. Smashing Pumpkins on tour 2025.
Despite all my rage, I am still just a Gordon Alley.
Don't forget to catch Smashing Pumpkins live, Taylor Park. Look, there's a little rabbit. That little guy. Little rabbit. Mean bird. Smashing Pumpkins. Take that back. I don't know if this guy's mean. He just looks mean. That was judgmental. Oh, he's going back in his house. Little lakefront condo there. Doing pretty good. Good morning. Not a bad place to start the day. It is cold. I'm not a huge fan of this. Some people really enjoy it, but I don't know. The older I get, the less I want to be cold. I guess to put a positive spin on it, the more I just want to be warm, right? That's all how you say it. A little bit of wind cuts right to the bone. My buddy. Just hanging out. Looking for breakfast. Me too, after this walk. Going the opposite direction today. Just enjoy the sights and sounds of Taylor Park at 7:15 in the morning. I'm probably my heavy breathing. My wife told me last night I'm a heavy breather. Go hard or go home, right? No critters out today. Well, birds, but not seeing any dinosaurs out here. But makes you wonder where they might be. Bridge we went over just yesterday. Our buddy here waiting on us. Hey dude. What's up? Oh. Not into it today. I get it. Paparazzi comes rolling around. I'm usually not stoked either. There's this island here. Cool spot, really cool spot. I'm sure there are many like it, but this one is ours. Look at this guy. I think he's still sleeping. Yeah, he's sleeping. And this goes out here, kind of just surrounded by water. Very cool. Another sleeping buddy in here. Oh, I see. He's got an eye on me. And that's where we came from over there. Nice little hike. You get a nice little picnic bench. Kind of part of why I wanted to do these videos also. There's a lot of really cool stuff in this area. And, you know, obviously I'm going to travel and do some other things, but just really cool stuff in this area that a lot of people have no idea that's here. So just wanted to kind of highlight some of that and show you what I see every day. The cool stuff, the beauty, some of the not so beautiful things, all that stuff. This guy just hanging out in paradise. Hopefully not waiting to poop on me. None shall pass. Hey, dude. Over the bridge. The follow-up to Red Hot Chili Peppers' smash hit, Under the Bridge. Over the bridge. By JC and the TVs. No, I'm not going to sing it. I promise. Lots of squirrels. Probably the same squirrels that like to get in my shed in my backyard. Gator said it's too cold today. I don't blame him. I don't blame him one bit, but beautiful thing is it's Florida. Tomorrow it's going to be in the 70s, and actually by this afternoon probably be up in the 70s. We'll be complaining about how hot it is and how we got to change our clothes from long sleeves to short sleeves and all that good stuff. So that's how Florida rolls. We'll find stuff to complain about. Look at that sky. That's something. I don't know what these guys are doing over here. They could be fighting. Could be doing something else. I don't know. Another thing. I don't know how that works with the birds. I don't know what they're doing. Once again, they're all ibises to me. All ibises. Looks like a tussle to me. A Donnybrook. Oop, got away. Back on hole number 9. Pretty hard to come out here and not play. But got a couple days off coming up. I promise you, we'll get out here and play. You'll see how sloppy my game has gotten. Used to be pretty dang good. I know what you're thinking. Is this all this guy's gonna do? Go through the same park every day? Maybe. Maybe. Nah, just joking. There's a lot of stuff around here. A lot of parks, a lot of places that have a whole different vibe, different wildlife. And also, I live right near St. Petersburg. Fantastic place. Art, music, history. Tampa, same stuff. Ditto Tampa. Although I grew up kind of in this Pinellas County area, I'm more partial to this Pinellas County area. Been here a long time. I'm not gonna say which is better. Pinellas County. Usually a lot of people out here walking. Not as many today. I will say when it gets below 60 degrees, a lot of people say, "Yeah, I'll just go on a treadmill or something." Maybe that's where all the gators are. They're on their little treadmills, big treadmills. On their big treadmills out there. Stupid. How stupid of me. They wouldn't be on treadmills. They'd be over at the squat rack. Guys out there fishing. Pretty cool. Look at my trusty wide toe shoes. I gotta tell you guys, let me tell you something. I don't have any sponsors. And I don't even know the brand of those shoes. But I'll tell you what, game changer. Game changer. You get some shoes that let your toes spread out. I was getting all kinds of problems in my feet, ankles, all that stuff. It's gone. It's all gone. Then I added in that weight vest, and I'll be going back to that here next week once I get my strength back and get where I want to be. But that has like aligned my back. I had all kinds of sciatica problems and stuff from years of just destroying my body and lifting heavy weights and playing bass and ruckus bands and all kinds of stuff like that. So, and I couldn't even turn my neck like this for the longest time. And now I just did it. It's amazing. It's amazing. I'm so stoked to be feeling a lot better and to have figured out some of these things. So if that helps anybody out, I'm stoked. Now, all the gators are hanging out by the heaters. Heading back to civilization. Another successful nature walk in the morning. Gonna be a really good day. Pretty excited. Hope everybody out there has a great day. Enjoy. Go do something cool.